You've got big dreams and you're going places. Let me share with you a little tip. Before you ask for or listen to the advice of anyone telling you what you need to do, I want you to ask yourself these 3 questions. Question number 1, has this person been successful doing the thing that I'm trying to do? Question number 2, did this person quit trying to do the thing that I want to do? And most importantly, question number 3, does this person actually want me to succeed, or do they want me to fail? So often in our life, we're getting bombarded with advice from people that have absolutely no success, people that have tried doing the thing that we're going to do and they quit. Never take advice from a quitter. Or people that simply just don't want us to be successful because it's going to make them feel inadequate. Don't listen to them. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.